Before we get started, there's a really important step you shouldn't skip, and that's a patch test. Do this at least 48 hours before coloring your hair so you know there's no reaction. And to make sure everything goes smoothly, it's also a good idea to create a checklist of everything you need. Before you mix up your color and developer, separate your hair into 4 sections. Face forward towards a mirror, use the tip of your comb to part your hair, divide the front half of your hair into 2 equal halves, and secure them with hair clips. Next, part your hair from ear to ear, divide the back half of your hair into 2 equal sections, and clip it up. Now, you're ready to mix up your color and developer. For highlighting and lowlights, a color bowl and brush work best. Next, apply AGEbeautiful Ultra Bond Deep Treatment 2+ around the hairline, tops of the ears to prevent any staining of the skin. Now, face a large mirror and begin applying color to the front section of your hair, 1 section at a time. Make sure to take thin 1/8 sections to help the color saturate every strand and prevent patchy or uneven results. Once you've colored the front 2 sections, turn around so your back is facing the mirror, and with help of a handheld mirror, add color starting at the bottom to the nape. Then work your way up to the top section. When you're finished, wait about 10 minutes, then go back and check for any missed spots. If you see any, touch them up. And voila! The results are stunning. And with Zotos, it's easy.
Now that you're in the know with Zotos, we hope you're feeling really confident in what you just learned.
Thank you for bringing us on your journey.
Check out our next video to learn more.
So, gracias.